I'm Greg Blake with Never a Dull Moment, and on behalf of the Queen Store, I'm excited to share with you how to use this 10-inch diamond honing / sharpening rod. All right, so let's talk about this 10-inch diamond honing rod / sharpening rod. So the first thing you're going to notice is that there's a non-slip tip. So that way when you put it down on any surface, it helps to be stable. You'll also notice that there is a hook at the bottom of the handle. So in case you have a hook in the kitchen, you want to hang it for your convenience, it is available. And then for your safety, in case you were holding it this way, we have like a safety ring around this to protect your hand if the blade was coming towards you. I'm recommending against that. You will notice that this is coated in diamonds, okay, which is the hardest surface and able to cut any steel. Okay, you'll also notice that it is wide on one side and narrow on the other. This is magnetized. So as we're removing metal, the particles will stick to the magnet. It'll help keep our kitchen from getting dirty, as well as make sure that the particles don't end up in our food. The way we're going to use this is we're going to put it down and be stable. We're going to get our blade and we're going to put it against it and go out 15 to 18 degrees. We're going to move in a downward motion starting with the heel. So we're going to go down and across. We're going to then go to the other side. We're going to find 15 to 18 degrees, and then we're going to down and across. And we're going to alternate the technique. We are removing metal, as well as the fact that when you're honing, a knife going into the cutting board eventually makes the edge go under. And you can take a hooked edge and smooth it out by running along the rod. So after so many passes, if you're doing this daily, it won't take any time at all. And then you're ready to go. Your knife has been honed and sharpened. Make sure that when you're done that you rinse this. Even though these diamonds are electroplated and it should prevent any type of rusting, I still recommend that you rinse the rod to free itself of the particles. Make sure it's dry before you put it away safely. Thank you. Now that's sharp. So on behalf of the Queen Store, I hope that was helpful. Thank you for watching.